Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's really quick video, I want to share with you guys how to deal with cracking prints. Now, I've got a lot of videos like this on my channel. As I showed you in depth last time with that FedEx shirt that I stretched, there's a few things that you guys can do to mitigate this. Hopefully, this video is going to cover all the possible ways you guys can fix and deal with cracking print. How to fix your color accuracy with your DTF printer. You guys might be new to DTF printing, and you find that there's a lot of trials and tribulations that you must go through. I feel your pain. We've personally been through a lot of trials and tribulations, so that's why I'm really excited to bring you guys this video. So there's a few ways to go about it. As you can maybe see, there's a bit of green on this logo. This is going to cause some problems when printing. I'm going to show you guys also another example. As you guys can see up top, there's a bit of like faded darkness. You don't want that. Here's an example of something that is a good print. Right over here, guys, we got a night and day difference. I'm just gonna put it right here so we have a better look, but you can see it if you look closely. Here there's more green, and here it's really a nice crisp image. How do you fix this and how to mitigate this? Really simple, guys. It all comes down to your maintenance. The reason you're getting more green prints like this is because you haven't done your maintenance properly. If you were to do your maintenance properly, first of all of this will come out consistently and clean. When it's gonna come out here, the problem is there's probably a bit of paint that's stuck in your print head. When it drops down, it's not giving you that nice mix. When it's not giving you that nice mix, you're losing a lot of color. And obviously, it gives you results that you don't want. Here is a print that just finished as we were talking. We're gonna take a look if the color is accurate. As you can see, guys, there's honestly a little bit of way to go. This is usable. As you can see, the FG is really red. We're not losing any color. But if you look closely, guys, we're losing a bit of color here. It becomes a bit darker. Now, guys, you might be wondering what is causing this. We're gonna break it down really quickly, but it all comes down to your head cleaning, guys. It's probably your print head that is a bit clogged up, and we're gonna show you guys how to fix it right now. All right, guys, so the next step, we're gonna take a scrap piece of paper. I suggest using one that's not necessarily good, because we're just gonna do the nozzle check. So basically what I like to check before we even do the nozzle check, just take a look at our lines. We have no bubbles, so that is perfect. Sometimes you might be experiencing bubbles, so if you are experiencing bubbles, just take your syringe, and from there you just want to insert and do your head cleaning, and not your head cleaning, you just want to pull every single one of them which has bubbles in it. If you have no bubbles, you can close the lid. Now, next step, you just want to take a look at all of your inks, make sure they're all level. This is pretty straightforward stuff, but after that, if all of your ink is perfect and all of your lines have no bubbles, the next step, guys, is just going to be to do a diagnostic of your printer, aka a nozzle check. So while Justin is filming here, I'll just go do a quick nozzle check, and we'll be taking a look at the page once it's coming out. Alright, guys, so this is exactly what we like to see. Unfortunately, we don't like to see it, but it's good that we are aware of it. As you can see, the lines in the white especially are no good. This is going to cause a lot of problems. Faded prints, broken prints, a lot of things that I have already covered on this channel. I know it's really hard to tell with the camera, guys, but this is absolutely unacceptable. Having lines like this inside of your nozzle check means that the print head is basically clogged. Now, this can lead to further problems if you don't handle it right away. What I suggest you guys do, really simply, before you even start to panic, just do a simple head cleaning and do another nozzle check. Most of the time it's gonna, mitigate the problems. Pretty much it. Another thing you guys can do is, if let's say you're doing a head cleaning, you do another nozzle check and you still have these lines, it's no good. You can come here in the back, take your syringe, just insert it inside of the hole right here, and you're gonna pull some of the ink. This is gonna make sure to take off all that extra ink, which might be causing your print head to clog. So right here inside of the tube, guys, you just wanna insert like this. I can show you a quick example. Be careful because it's a bit messy there. You just wanna take your syringe like this, insert it, and you just wanna take off some excess ink. Slow but sure, guys. This, at the beginning it might not want to, so it's nice to have this little thing next by so you can just dump the ink back inside of it. But here we go, guys, we're getting some ink. I know it's hard to tell on the camera, but we are getting some. You don't need to pull out a lot. I like to do around 5 millimeters, which is really not that much. Just continue like this, guys, and the next step, like I said, is gonna be to do a real head cleaning, and after that we're gonna run another nozzle check. Alright, guys, so you're just finished with actually pulling out the ink. Now the next step is going to be to do another nozzle check. And before we actually even do that nozzle check, we're just gonna run a head cleaning, because doing this, guys, is gonna, you know, build up some clogging stuff on your printer. Yeah, clogging stuff. That makes a lot of sense, Dom. But honestly, after you've done this, you wanna make sure you really do a head cleaning. Alright guys, so the next thing you wanna do is F12, head cleaning. You're gonna let the printer do its thing. And after that, we're gonna do another nozzle check, see what's up. So guys, the head cleaning is done. Now we're gonna do a nozzle check. And guys, if the nozzle check isn't giving you the result you desire, I have a last and final thing you guys can do before having to change your print head. Obviously guys, there's a lot of things you can do before having to change a print head. Unfortunately though, it can't happen. This is why it's really important to do your maintenance every single day, to not have to ever change your print head within at least the first year. Like for this printer, we're due for a print head, but it's been over a year that we got the printer. Wow guys, night and day difference. All of our lines are there, guys. This is exactly what you want. This is exactly what you want, guys. So now your prints are gonna come out color accurate and they're never gonna break. One final thing you can do, let's say the nozzle check did not come out how you desire. I made a video, how to clean your DTF printer. I'll have it linked up on screen right here. Make sure you guys go take a look on how to clean your DTF printer. I show you in depth how to clean your print head and how to clean your DTF printer. I got a few videos like this on my channel to help you guys navigate this. If ever you guys are still having problems after that, feel free to send us an email. Our email is always linked down in the description down below. As always guys, if you found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.